Yeah, I like these turbo golds. I just need to refill the ones that are empty now instead of just holding up spaces. But I'm fixing this fence. I thought that was a good opening shot. Now, it's up. It's on there. When I put the door on, this post is about a ½ inch, or I don't know how many mil. I had my tape measure. I don't talk in ½ inches anymore. 30, not 35. Shit, where's a millimeter? Let's measure it. It's less than 20. Let's see. That's 10, about 12 mil. I think this post has got to ship that away. 12 mil. And it's tight. And what is holding it all? Now I've got these repair brackets on here. But over here at the end there's room for the tenons to go in there maybe. Should I have to chisel a little bit? That one looks alright. This one's not too tight. That one's not, that's got enough room to go another ½ inch or so. So these things can go in a little bit further. And that's not going to be in the way. That's holding the fence up from falling over at the moment. And I wonder, is this broken here? This thing here, I didn't even feel with that. That might be broken. I'm gonna have to think about that for a minute, but I think what I gotta do is I gotta get my big hammer. I got this on sale at Lidl's. And what happens if I give it a few whacks? Oh, and also I made some wedges for the bottom down there. Well, that did something. That was about 5 mil, a good 5 mil. So I think if I try and just give it some more welly with 2 hands on that hammer, I might get it. Because that's in exactly the right place it needs to be, at the bottom. So that's what we're gonna do. Where's that big buddy? I like this hammer. I've never had one with such a nice handle before. I think it was less than, it was like 8 pounds. Got a nice handle, fiberglass reinforced. And how much does it weigh? 3,500 grams. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this long green pole and whack that fence post a couple more times.